Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to calculate the relative atomic mass in this short video. Relative atomic mass is about comparing the masses of different atoms. We compare them to the mass of 1/12 of a carbon-12 atom. The number, that is the relative mass, tells you how much mass an atom has compared to atoms of other elements. Here's a table of relative atomic masses for just a few elements. You can see that the hydrogen has a relative atomic mass of 1 and carbon has a relative atomic mass of 12. This means that one carbon atom is 12 times heavier than one hydrogen atom. Have a look at oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen has a relative atomic mass of 16, whereas sulfur has a relative atomic mass of 32. One sulfur atom is twice as massive, twice as heavy as one oxygen atom. Once we know the relative atomic mass of different atoms, we can use them to work out the relative mass of a formula or of a molecule. Here we've got a molecule of carbon dioxide represented in 4 different ways, but all of these models show that carbon dioxide is made up from one carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms bonded together. So how do we work out the relative molecular mass? Carbon atoms have a mass of 12 and oxygen atoms have a mass of 16. We know there's 1 carbon and 2 oxygens in a molecule of carbon dioxide. Let's add the numbers up. 12 for the carbon, 2 lots of 16 for the oxygen, all means the mass of one carbon dioxide molecule is 44. Let's do another example. Here we've got water, H2O. Water's made out of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The relative mass, or AR, of hydrogen is 1 and of oxygen is 16. To work out the relative formula mass of water, we need to add together the relative masses. 2 lots of 1 for the hydrogen, 16 for the oxygen equals 18. The relative molecular mass, or the relative formula mass of water is 18. Finally, we're going to look at some trickier examples, and some of these formula have got brackets in. Just remember, the rules about doing the maths for formula mass are the same as they would be in maths if you're following your BIDMAS rules. Okay, let's look at one of these harder formula with brackets. This is the formula for magnesium nitrate. You can see that there's 1 Mg representing 1 magnesium atom, and then inside the bracket is the formula for nitrate, which is NO3. There are 2 nitrates attached to 1 magnesium. So the total mass of this formula, we need to add all of that together, double whatever is inside the brackets. Now magnesium weighs 24, nitrogen's relative mass is 14, and oxygen is 16. Pause the video and see if you can find the answer. Okay, so here's the answer. The magnesium weighs 24, the nitrogen is 14, there are 3 oxygens, so 3 lots of 16, and then I need 2 of everything that's inside the brackets. If you add all of this together correctly, working out what's in the brackets first, 3 lots of 16 plus 14 makes 62, times 2 is 124. Don't forget to add on the magnesium. Gives us a total mass of 148.